Welcome to Golden Rest Guide. Let me begin by asking you a few important questions. Have you ever stopped to wonder why, even when you cut down on sugar, your liver health still doesn't seem to improve? Do you sometimes feel tired in the morning, even though you slept through the night? Have you ever noticed that your belly fat seems harder to lose no matter what diet you try? Do you believe fatty liver is only caused by alcohol? Or could there be something else quietly sabotaging your health? And here's the big question. What if I told you that the 1 hour between 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. every night could decide whether your liver heals or whether it gets worse? Most people have never thought about this. They focus on what they eat during the day, but they ignore their evening habits. And that's where the 9 p.m. rule comes in. A simple, science-backed evening routine that has helped many people reduce liver fat, improve metabolism, and wake up feeling refreshed and full of energy. Let's break it down step by step. Rule number 1, close the kitchen at 9 p.m. sharp. That means no late night snacks, no desserts, no calorie-heavy drinks after this time. Why is this so important? Because your liver works hardest at night, especially between 1 and 3 a.m., when it detoxifies your blood and breaks down stored fat. If you eat late, your liver is forced to keep digesting food instead of cleaning itself. Over time, this leads to more fat stuck in the liver. Research shows that people who stop eating earlier in the evening and allow 12 to 14 hours of overnight fasting reduce liver fat, improve their blood sugar, and reset their body's natural metabolism. Think of it this way: closing your kitchen at 9 gives your liver a head start on healing. Rule number 2, drink a calming liver detox tea. This is not just any tea, it's a combination of 2 herbs that directly support your liver: dandelion root and milk thistle. Here's how you prepare it: 1 cup of warm water, 1 teaspoon of dandelion root tea, and 1 teaspoon of milk thistle tea. Let it steep for 10 minutes, then sip it slowly. Dandelion root helps your liver's detox pathways work more efficiently, while milk thistle protects your liver cells and reduces fat buildup. Together, they create a gentle but powerful support system for your liver at night. Plus, drinking this tea is calming. It signals to your body that the day is done and it's time to rest. Rule number 3, go to bed before 11 p.m. and keep naps short. This one often surprises people. You might think naps are harmless or that staying up late doesn't matter, but science shows otherwise. Long naps during the day, more than 30 minutes, are linked to worse liver health. And going to bed too late disrupts your liver's internal body clock. Your liver has its own circadian rhythm. When you stay up past midnight or nap too long, you throw that rhythm off balance. This makes your liver less efficient at detoxifying and more likely to store fat. That's why being in bed before 11 and limiting naps to 30 minutes is so important for long-term liver health. So how do you put this into practice? Eat an early dinner, ideally 2 to 3 hours before bed. Fill your plate with non-starchy vegetables first, then add a healthy portion of protein such as chicken, fish, or plant-based options like lentils or beans. If you want carbs, choose small amounts of whole grains like quinoa or brown rice, and avoid sugars or refined carbs at night. Close the kitchen by 9 p.m., no exceptions. About half an hour later, enjoy your liver detox tea, sip it slowly, and allow your body to relax. Finally, go to bed before 11, giving your liver the time it needs to do its most important repair work. Now imagine this: you follow this simple routine for just 2 to 3 weeks. What happens? Your liver fat begins to shrink, your digestion improves, you feel lighter in the morning instead of heavy and sluggish, your energy rises, and your metabolism kicks back into gear. These aren't complicated changes. They're small adjustments that make a massive difference. So let me ask you one last time. Are you ready to follow the 9 p.m. rule? It could be the easiest health change you've ever made, but also the one with the most powerful results. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to Golden Rest Guide, and share it with friends and family who need this information. And before you go, I want you to take a moment and comment below. Tell me, did you enjoy this video? Where in the world are you watching from? What time is it right now in your country? Your answers inspire me, Help me understand my audience better and create a community where we all support each other in our journey to better health. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and remember, the choices you make between 8 and 9 p.m. could change your life.